Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets iPhone or iPad tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your default browser on your iPhone or iPad. So with the recent release of iOS 14, one of the new settings that is available is setting a default browser for your iPhone or iPad. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with how to change your default browser on an iPhone or iPad. So the first thing we need to do is simply open up the settings on our iPhone or iPad. Once the settings open, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom into the list of apps until you see the browser that you want to make your default browser. So for me, that's going to be Firefox, but if you had Chrome or DuckDuckGo, one of those, you would just find that in the list and then select it. In the options that come up, you should see at the bottom of the list, default browser app. If you do not see this, make sure that you have the latest version of the app installed in the iTunes iStore, and that should fix it. Because originally I did not see it with Firefox. I updated the app on my phone and then I saw the option. So now all we need to do is select default browser app in the Firefox settings, and then we can select Firefox. Then select back. Now we can close the settings, and then whenever we click a link, it'll open up Firefox because that's our new default browser on our iPhone. All right, so that's how you change the default browser app on your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more iPhone or iPad tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.